I'm doing a quick video today on my latest pit kit build. I know it's another Willys, but unfortunately I have 3 Hobby Lobbies close by to me within an hour, and they never get anything different in. So if you're going to do a pit kit, it's either got to be a Willys or a Dodge van. So I did another Willys. I did it in the Texas State Police livery. You can see here I did the old school paddy wagon. I did add running boards to the side, front bumper and a rear bumper. And you can see it's all nice and tucked in there. Fits perfect. So I think the running boards and everything turned out good. That's the first time I've done them on one of these. The lights are actually from a Ford Mustang, the Auto World Ford Mustang highway patrol car. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And then on that note, I also picked up this Jeep Cherokee. I found it on sale at a gas station. I got it for like $2. This is from Greenlight Diecast. This was actually in the Michigan State Police livery, and I stripped it all down and made it into Texas State Trooper. So obviously it's just a static model. It'll sit along the side, but I think it turned out pretty good. The only thing I don't like about it, I had to do peel and stick decals, because if you've ever made your own decals with an inkjet printer, they will not print white. And even if you print it on white water slide paper, any collared decals like the Texas emblem there wouldn't show up on dark paint. So, but anyway, I think it still turned out pretty good. So let's take the old Willys for a couple laps here. Take it for a slow one here first. I think it looks pretty good on the track. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. I did lower the rear of the car like I normally do on these till the tires are almost touching the fender well, and then I also raised the front end so it looks more like a gasser. So yeah, she runs pretty good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.